Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, we're diving into a really handy customization for all you rooted Android enthusiasts. We're going to walk through the process of installing the Google Text-to-Speech Magisk Module on your device. This can significantly enhance your phone's accessibility, features, and provide a smoother, more integrated text-to-speech experience. This fantastic module, created and shared on peeling.com, essentially packages Google's official text-to-speech accessibility service app into a Magisk module. This allows for system-level integration on all supported and rooted Android devices running either Magisk or KernelSU. Now, you might be wondering why you'd want to install this as a Magisk module instead of just using the regular Google Text-to-Speech app. The key benefit here is deeper system integration. By installing it as a module, it often leads to better compatibility, potentially improved performance, and a cleaner implementation within your custom ROM environment. You can find the download link for all the different architecture variants in the video description. Once you've downloaded the appropriate module for your device, the installation process is generally quite straightforward. Using the Magisk Manager app, open up Magisk Manager. Navigate to the Modules section, usually found in the sidebar menu. Then, tap on the Install from Storage button at the top. This will open your device's file explorer. Locate the Google Text-to-Speech Module zip file you just downloaded. Select it, and let Magisk do its thing. You'll see the installation logs as Magisk flashes the module. I want to share a little bit of my own experience while preparing for this video. As you can see, and unfortunately, I can't show you the successful installation on these particular devices. Right now, I've encountered some compatibility issues on a couple of my test devices. Specifically, my Redmi Note 7 Pro, which is currently running SuperiorOS, and my OnePlus 6T on CrDroid custom ROM haven't taken to this module as expected. It seems there might be some underlying system configurations or ROM-specific factors that are preventing a successful installation on these specific setups. If you are using KernelSU, you must go into your KernelSU app, settings, and find the option labeled Unmount Modules by default. You need to disable this setting. After your phone has finished rebooting, you should now have the Google Text-to-Speech service integrated as a system-level component. To verify this, you can usually head over to your device's main settings app. Look for sections like Accessibility, or search directly for text-to-speech output. If you found this video informative, even with the little hiccup I experienced, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.